Welcome back. Let's do activity 4. A pulley system is used to keep a heavy object at rest as shown on the diagram below. Draw a vector diagram showing the forces acting on the object. Label the forces and indicate the angles on your diagram. How many forces are acting on this object? So we have this force here, which is 1,440 newtons. And then we have the force here, which is 1,284.95 newtons. And then we have the weight. Okay, we have the weight. So we have 3 forces acting on this object. Now we want to draw a vector diagram for this system. My advice will be, make sure that you fill in the angles before you do anything. Okay, the angles. So just have your mini Cartesian planes at every point. So we're going to have a Cartesian plane there, and then we have another one there, and then we have another one there. So what is this angle here? What is this angle here? This is 55 degrees because these are alternate angles. So this is 55 degrees. And then what about this one? These angles, these 2 angles must add up to 90 degrees. So if you say 90 minus 55, we get what? We get 35. You see that? And then what about this angle here? This is also 35 degrees. These are alternate angles. If you check, these are the alternate angles. Or you can say this angle and this angle must add up to 90 degrees. So we say 90 minus 55, still we're going to get 35 degrees there. Okay, and then we come this side. This angle is what? 40 degrees. Again, alternate angles. This angle and this angle are alternate angles. And then what about this angle? If you say 90 minus 40 degrees, you get what? 50 degrees. So this angle is 50 degrees. Okay, see that? So now if you put all the angles like this, you can easily draw our vector diagram. Let's start with the weight. We have the weight there. So the weight is going to form our first vector, which is this, and then we have our Cartesian planes there. Okay, let's take this force, which is 1,284.95, right, and it's going to be there. We're going to put it there. So what will be this angle here? Right, this angle is just equal to this angle. So it means this angle is also, this is also 40 degrees. Okay, right, let's join the other vector. And then we're joining this angle, this vector, the force, which is 1,440 newtons. We're joining it there. What is this angle here? It will be the same as this angle. Here. So it means it's 35 degrees. And then we can find this angle using the angle sum in triangle. If you say 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 35 degrees, you get what? 105 degrees because of angle sum in triangle. Or you can see that this angle, this one is just the same as this one here. So this is 50 degrees, and then this angle is just the same as this angle here, which is what? Which is 55. And then if you say 55 plus 50, you get what? 105. So this angle is 105. This angle is 105 there. Okay, so we have our vector diagram.